This is a Thai Banana Roti street food shop that you can find in Southeast Asia. It is a dessert that is available with many different fillings and flavors. We ordered the mango-filled version. It is a very delicious dessert snack that looks like a pancake, but it is not. The taste is less sweet and also a bit salty. The ingredients and toppings make it taste slightly sweet.
That's a mango.
Die haben ja einige Vorkommen, was aber gar nicht ausgenutzt haben. Und jetzt haben sie das ja schon fertig da.
Ja, ja. Hä? Don't worry.
Zum Glück ist nicht deine Schere.
Here is our delicious mango roti that is covered with chocolate. Now let's give it a try. It is very hot, so you need to be careful.
Really good.
This street food is so delicious. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more weekly food seeing videos.